Hi friends, welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we're going to go over 6 easy Easter DIYs using only items purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm so excited to share these projects with you, so let's just get right into the video. Our first Easter DIY is the Bunny Pom-Pom Wreath. You will need a yarn craft kit, a foam wreath, a pom-pom kit, and jute twine. First, you will wrap the jute twine around the foam wreath until it is fully covered and it'll look like this. Next, you glue the larger pom-pom on the outside of the wreath and then glue the smaller pom-pom on the inside of the wreath. This creates the bunny's body. Then you take the ears out of the pom-pom kit and glue them between the large and small pom-poms to make the bunny's ears. This makes a beautiful wreath you can place on your door, a wall, or on a table just like this. One of my favorite Easter DIYs is the Easter Bunny Cottontail wreath. You will need this bunny wreath frame, wildflowers, Easter themed ribbon, burlap ribbon, floral tape, and hydrangeas. I got my inspiration for this DIY from a similar wreath I saw at Ross. Those of you who follow me on Instagram saw it first. I noticed it was selling for over $30 and I figured I could recreate it with items from Dollar Tree. You will begin by removing the tinsel from the frame until it is bare. I found cutting the tinsel made this a lot simpler than just trying to rip it off. Next, you grab the floral tape and fully cover the frame except for the ears. Wrap the burlap ribbon around the ears and glue to keep the ribbon in place. Measure and cut a small piece of the lace from the burlap ribbon to place over the bunny's ears. Make sure when you're cutting, you round the top in a half circle pattern. Start removing the flowers from the stems as well as the leaves and place them aside. Insert the leaves in between the floral tape until fully covered. To create the bunny's tail, glue the hydrangeas off-centered towards the bottom in a circle pattern. And finish by tying a small ribbon at the bunny's neck. It may not be exactly the same, but for less than $10 and some fun, it's a cute way to spice up your door. Our next DIY is a cute Easter bunny bottom digging. You will need reindeer moss, chalkboard wood stakes and a metallic marker, ceramic planters, a bunny tail, carrot decor, a pom-pom kit, floral foam, and your choice of plants. I chose cattails and baby's breath. We start by cutting the floral foam to fit into one of the ceramic planters. Add the reindeer moss until you can't see the floral foam anymore. Insert the flowers into the floral foam. I had to cut my cattails down a bit as they were too long. Place the carrots on one end and the bunny tail on the other end. I wrote Bunny Crossing on my chalkboard stick, but be creative and write your own message. Stick the chalkboard into the foam. Grab the felt ear pieces from the pom-pom kit. You'll need some pink paints. I didn't have any, so I mixed my own. Next, paint the bunny feet onto the felt ears. When the paint has dried, glue the feet to the bunny tail. Take this small pom-pom from the Pom-Pom kit we previously used and glue it above and center of the bunny's feet for a tail. This creates a decor piece that looks like a bunny digging for carrots. So cute. If you made it this far, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It really helps my channel grow so I can make more videos. If you like the DIY so far, you're gonna love the next 3. Our next Easter DIY is so simple yet looks like a high-priced decor piece. We're making a galvanized tin bunny decor. You will need 3 of these signs with a tin bunny and this long Happy Easter sign. We will begin by removing the tin bunny from each of the 3 signs. The easiest way was with a scraper. I also purchased from Dollar Tree. Next, you grab the long Happy Easter sign and remove the bunny's feet. Turn the sign over and grab your choice of paint. I went for a gray as it matches my home decor. After the paint has dried, sand down the board for a distressed look. Line up the tin bunnies and align how you like. I put all 3 in a straight line. I'm using the Dollar Tree double-sided tape and it works very well to keep the bunnies in place. Reattach the twine and that's it! A beautiful decor piece you can hang on a wall or door. Bunnies in a Bowl is our next Easter DIY. You will need a candle stand, reindeer moss, moss bunnies, ribbon, jute twine, and a glass bowl. I begin by tying some jute twine around the bunny's neck to create a little bow, but you're free to be creative and decorate the bunnies how you'd like. Fill the bowl about 1/4 of the way with reindeer moss. Now add the bunnies and arrange how you like. Tie a bow with the ribbon between the glass bowl and the candle stand for another cute decor piece. Another one of my favorite DIYs is this stacked book decor. It is so simple but looks great as a complement to your other DIY projects and on its own. You will need 3 of the same hardcover books with a dust jacket that has a white inside, some letter stickers, and ribbon. First, remove the dust jacket from the books and fold it with the white side up. You'll do this for all 3 of your books. Place the dust jackets back onto the books so the white section is facing outwards. Grab your letter stickers and write a message across the spines of the books. I chose "Some Bunny Loves You." Tie a bow with some ribbon to keep the books in place, and there you have it. Doesn't that look so cute with my initial egg that I got from Dollar Tree? Thank you all for watching my video. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite DIY and tag me if you make one. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.